something
Yeah, like
something.
converting from the miles to kilometer. We have
Yeah.
feet, yard. Okay, we will introduce after this. So we start finishing this first. So coordinate plan. So coordinate plan have the story of that. So coordinate plan, sometimes we call it Cartesian plan, right? Cartesian plan. Have you heard about the Cartesian plans?
Or is it just the same thing?
It's the same things, but a coordinate plan is
Most
general
commonly
of
referred to
the typical names, but it
as
was found by
coordinate
these guy was found by these Greek guys. So we somehow
Cartesian.
give a credit to him. Hmm?
His name was Cartesian.
Yeah, Cartesian. So his name is Cartesian. So we give a credit to him, but it's very typical that that plan is coordinate plan. So we tell it as the coordinate plane. Like generally, we call it as coordinate plane. So coordinate plane is come from originally is from the number line. So we know that number line is something like oh, here. So number line is starting line. Number line is actually we have one line starting from zero to the right is one.
Uh, positive.
Yep,
Two,
one unit is one,
two,
two, three, four,
four,
and so on, right? And to the left, it will be
-1,
negative, negative one,
-2,
negative two,
-3.
two, negative three, negative four, and so on.
Yes.
But then that guy, Cartesian guy, come and say like, oh, when I put that number into one line like this, somehow it's quite boring. It's quite boring. What if?
So he had to create the
Yeah,
coordinate
yeah,
plane.
yeah. He created this for us, and then he's like, oh, somehow this is boring, right? But we always plot the number into the line that is horizontal. What if we make it straight up and we count it one step as 1 unit? If we go down one step as minus 1 unit, then it become like, oh, this is start from zero, the same, and 1 unit up as 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. It's quite logic too, right? So we
Yeah.
even in the construction, so ground floor, first floor, second floor, so on. When we're coming downward at zero, -1, -2, here, -3, -4. So 1 unit downward, 1 unit minus. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the like people can easy to get
The
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 confusion of the message from here and here. Even we use this kind of line, it's easier to understand. But this line is also easy to understand, right? Even it's horizontal or vertical, it's easy for people or readers to understand. So then, why don't we make it into two dimensionals? Like it's all like, why don't we make it into two dimensional? So he
two
combined,
is like flat, right?
yeah. So actually, like we start from the number line, right? This, right? The
Yeah.
the horizontal one, but then he make it vertical, and we count it one step by 1 unit, and going back like down by one step is -1 unit. Then now he combine it into one coordinate plane, like one into one plane. Like let's start combining it. We have the vertical line and the horizontal line. Then we can make this into two-dimensional, right? Two-dimensional means goes straight up and it's
Like,
straight
yeah.
lying
Like
down.
horizontal and vertical?
Yeah, vertical and horizontal. That word is coming after he invading this. So when we make this in combining together, we call it
Coordinate plane.
coordinate plane. But as sometimes you may heard, it's called Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Why? Because that guy is combined that plane together. So he give it to myself, like for example, I discover something new, and then I say like, oh, this is my name plane, or this is my name theory, or something like that.
Yeah.
But it's very typical that this is coordinate plane. So sometimes you often or you frequently heard it is coordinate planes, coordinate planes. Then now after we combine this uh, two axis, we call it axis. This is horizontal
Yeah.
axis and
The
vertical axis.
y-axis, the x-axis.
Yes. Then they start to name this. What is the suitable axis we should put it in? Then we start, oh, let's do X and Y. Or maybe we have always two relationship between, in reality, we also have two relationship in one table and then we plot into the graph. But before that, if we don't have any name, let's name it as X prime X and Y prime Y before having the actual names. After that, now, when we combine them together, we can always see the intersection point, right? The intersection point. So we need the name for the intersection point. What it is called? The name of the intersection of these two axes.
What? My bad.
So, okay, let's start over. Like when we combine these two axes together, we
What
always
is it?
see, yeah, we always see
You
the
asking?
intersection.
Wait, are
Yeah,
you asking what the
the
intersection is called?
intersection point, right? When we combine two axes together, then we always see the intersection point. What is the intersection point called?
The origin.
The origin, yes. So the intersection point is called the origin. Origin, right? Like I this I N. So origin is the intersection point, and that's always at point
0, 0.
0, 0. Yes, origin always at point 0, 0. Another thing is we have two axes. Right? Yes, you have.
Yeah.
No, no. We have two axes. One is the sleeping one is x prime x. It is the horizon.
The first one is the x-axis. The second one is like the y-axis, right?
Yes, the x. X-axis is called the
The horizontal axis.
horizontal. Yes, horizontal axis. Horizontal
Mm.
axis. So axis here is just is because it's singular. This is plural, so it's just es.
Yeah.
Okay. The other ones, y prime y, is
The vertical.
vertical axis. Vertical,
They call axis.
vertical axis. Okay. The next term we have to know is now whenever we have the two axes combined together, we always have four
An
pieces,
intersection.
right?
Oh,
Four pieces, four equal pieces,
yeah.
right? Four equal pieces.
Which are quadrants,
Yeah,
right?
which is called the quadrant. So in two-dimensional or like one coordinate plane, there are four
For
quadrants. Four quadrants, which start from here, number one, which is positive here and positive here. Number two is say number two. Number two is x is negative,
positive, negative.
y is positive. Yes, x is negative,
Oh,
negative, 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 negative.
x positive,
Positive,
y positive.
positive, positive, positive here.
And then the bottom is negative part.
And the third
The
quadrant,
third one is negative. The x part
x,
x negative and x axis negative and y axis negative.
yes, correct. So the third quadrant is here, x negative,
The
y.
y axis positive, x axis negative.
Okay, so the fourth quadrant is here. And you have already asked me why it's go like one here, two here, three here, four here. Because
We kind of like one, two, three, four.
that's the reasons.
It goes from one, two, three, four, but I thought it should go from the left instead of from the right.
Yeah, but what is the reason why it go from here and here and here and here? Because we count the coordinate
You
plane
go to
as
the left, right? It starts from one to the left.
yeah to the left and then go down here because of in coordinate plane or in geometry of mathematics we always go counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise. I forgot. My bad.
That's why. Like when maybe you have studied the angle, or maybe.
No, I think I have
Okay, so
studying.
whenever we in geometry or in math, when we start counting the angle, okay, if we have this line and we have the protractors here, and it's go like this, right? 30
Yeah.
degree or something. So it's go always go counterclockwise.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So it's same as coordinate plane. It's the going the direction is going counterclockwise.
First time I was like,
Next is coordinates for point. Coordinate of point. Okay. So coordinate of point. So I will introduce about the coordinate planes. Coordinate plane here. Whenever it comes to coordinate plane, when we have one dimensional, meaning that we have only one line, it is called, when we have one line, it is called
the number line.
the number line. Yes, it's typically the number line. number line. Number line. Yes, number line. How about two-dimensional? Dimension. When there's two dimension, meaning that two axes combine,
The coordinate plane.
it's coordinate planes. Or it is called Cartesian plane, right?
Yeah.
We give the credit to him, so it's Cartesian planes. When there is three-dimensional, three dimensions. Okay, you may already understand like when we plot the number into this coordinate plane, it's maybe here, 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 or here,
Yeah.
right? So what if we have the third dimensionals? For example, we have another one straight to here, and the point is here outside
What?
of that plane. If we have three dimensionals, meaning that these two already in one plane, right?
Mm-hmm.
The third, the third dimensional should be like something's here, and the point will be at here. So three dimensional is
Are you talking about those little dots you drew in the quadrant?
no,
In
no.
quadrant two?
It's outside of this plane, outside of this computer. The third dimensional is called the space. Do you know, like,
Space?
yeah, space. So for example, we have these two in one plane. In order to have another dimension or another axis, we need another axis here outside of this plane. So
Is a
that's
space?
called space. Yes, that's called a space. And actually, there's four dimension, five dimension, six dimension, which we will study very in advance. So we just skip like one dimension, two dimensions, three dimensions. Have you
Oh,
ever,
but
yeah, have you ever heard this? Sometimes we call it,
2D, 1D, 3D?
yeah, 1D, 2D, 3D, 1D. 2D is your flat PC, like your flat. When you watch the TV and
Like
flat
flat.
screens, in one screen, that is one plane, right? In one screen is one plane. So this is 2D. When you go to watch 3D, somehow you have a glass and the picture is just somehow it's go like this, right? It goes straight here. It have actually they have one plane, but the pictures look like it's coming to your
Like
eyes.
it's not moving, but it looks like it keeps going towards your
Yes,
eyes.
toward you. So meaning that they have another plane, right? Another dimensions to you. So that is somehow they call it 3Ds. Okay. Next point is plotting the point of coordinate plane. Plotting the point on Cartesian planes. Cartesian plane. Okay, plotting the point on the Cartesian planes. I will draw this plane again. Okay, like this. Okay. So, example, we need to plot the point 5 and 4. So do this x prime x, y prime y. So in coordinate plane or in Cartesian planes, we always denote the point into x
Into X
and
axis, then Y axis.
y axis. and it always start with x and then y. So it's very it's very obvious, right? Because it's the alphabetic order. So it's that x, y, and z, something like that. So x is at the front, y is at the
the back.
the back. Yes, at the backs. And also, when we have that point, for example, this is point P, 5 and 4, the axis is somehow they have the name called
The axes have a name called what?
abscissa.
Uh,
Abscissa. Have you heard about this? Abscissa.
I feel like I have, but I also haven't.
Okay. Okay, so the x is when we have a point, for example, point P, with coordinate 5 and 4, the coordinate of 5 is called abscissa. Now, the coordinate of 4, which is at y-axis, is called
It's called
ordinate.
ordinate.
Yeah,
Abscissa ordinate.
abscissa is coordinate of x, ordinate is coordinate of y's.
Okay.
Okay,
Ordinate and abscissa.
yeah. Absci- abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate.
Abscissa ordinate.
Okay. So now, in order to plot this point P, which is coordinate 5 and 4, how can we plot this point into the Cartesian planes?
We start from the, so it's both positive, right?
Yeah, both positive. So,
Then we start at the first axis, the first quadrant.
first quadrant. So the easy
Okay.
way to plot this is now the x is positive 5, right? So positive is go to the right by 5 units. So this is starting, the origin is 0. So always start at the origins. And then 5 unit positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 units positive means 5 units to the right. And then the
And
ordinate
then
is 4. So 4 is up.
the x-axis,
Yeah, it's y-axis, but it is upward.
the
Yeah. So it's go up by 4 units. One, two,
mm,
three, 4. So the point P is P. This is point P where it is 5 and 4. 5 abscissa, 4 ordinate. Or sometimes you may see it's the count is from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and
three.
they do projections to meet at that point. It's the same. It will be the same. This is 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the point is still the P. So the point P is 5 and 4, which is denoted here. What if we have another point Q at -3 and -2? Point Q
Minus,
is
it's in the, what's it called? The third quadrant.
third quadrant, yes, correct.
The left, the bottom corner.
Left and bottoms. Okay. So we always start at the origins and with the axis first. So when it's minus, we go to the left. So go to the left by 3 units. -1, -2, -3 here. Okay, now we have the abscissa already. The ordinate is -2, so it go straight
One,
down by 2
two.
units. 1, 2. So this is the point Q, -3 and -2. This point. Sometimes you
Yeah.
may see the projections to here. It will be -2. Okay, so this is point Q, point Q, P and Qs. What about if they want you to put the or the plot the number on the point t at 3 and 0?
Three and
Where's
zero.
the point 3 and 0?
Just stay on the x-axis, but move all the way to 3. Like
Yes.
don't go to the y-axis or anything. Just stay on there and move to 3.
Okay. Similar things. You're correct. Similar thing. It will start with the abscissa. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units here, and then it will be 0. The y is 0, so
Yeah.
we do nothing. So this is the point t.
T.
Okay. Okay. Now you get the idea of the plotting the point.
Yeah.
It's not very difficult. So I will have a little practice for you. I have the
My
I will
box.
share to you on the Facebook, and you can do. Okay. I will put it here.
Yeah.
Easiest.
Did you send it yet?
Wait. Let's copy first. Number one. Oh, this is in PDF. Invoice. 1 minute. Printer. Show more. Oh, this is in PDF. So wait, I will convert it here to the picture first.
Okay.
Desktop into PNG. No. Okay, 1 minute. Number one. It should be this is number one. This will be number two. The other one is three here. Okay, let's do number one. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is number one here. Oh, now do you see this slice?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have this is school. This is I will have trouble. So this is school. This is how. This is police station. This is library, train stations, markets, parks, zoo, and hospital. Now the first question is at which coordinate point is school
Let's
located?
let's go. Let me see.
Yes,
Negative 4 4.
-4 and
4.
4 positive. Correct. So okay, one correct. Second, what place can be found at the coordinate -5 and 1?
Nothing.
-5, x is -5 here, and 1. What place can be found at coordinate -5 and 1? Not,
Are you talking about the market? Because isn't it like at like
no.
2.5?
-5 mean, okay, so -1 here, -2 here, -3 here, -4 here, -5 here, and then 1 unit positive. So it's go upward, right?
Oh, my bad. I was looking at the wrong one. It was the train station.
Yeah, this is the train station. Train station.
Station.
Train
5
stations.
positive.
Now, third question, what place can be found at the coordinate 5 and 3?
The police station.
Yeah, well, 5 units here, 3 upwards, so that is police station. So police stations.
What place? What coordinate plane
At
is the
which coordinate plane is the hospital located at?
-3, 5, -5,
Negative
-3,
3 and -5. So -3 is 1, 2, 3, and -5 downward. Okay, correct. Number 5. What place can be found at coordinate -1 and 3?
the library.
Library. So -1 here, 3 is go upward, 1, 2, 3. So it's library, library. Correct.
Yeah.
Number 6. At which coordinate point is zoo located?
4, -4.
4 here, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So this is the zoo. Okay,
Yeah.
so oh, 4 and -4.
4,
At which coordinate point is market located?
-2, -2.
-2 and -2. So -2, -1, -2, and go down 2. So yes, that is correct. Now number 8. At which coordinate point is the house located?
2, 4.
2 and 4. So the house is 1, 2, and 2. Okay, correct. Number 9. What place can be found at coordinate point 2 and
2,
-2?
the park.
The park, yes, the parks. Correct. So the park is 2 here, -2 go downward, it's here. What place are in quadrant 3?
1, 2. The hospital and the market.
Hospital and market. Okay, correct. So hospital and a market. Correct. Okay, so out of this you done and oh wait, this one wrong. So okay, 9 out of 10. So let's do the next one.
100%.
90%.
What? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, made a little mistake. So
Yeah, I made a little mistake, but it's alright.
yeah, but 90 out of 100 is okay.
Amazing.
Amazing. Okay, so let's do this 100 out of 100.
Is this the same thing? No,
No,
it's
it's
not.
different. It's different. Just a little.
What coordinate point is the market located at? I got you. Oh,
Okay, so what coordinate plane is market located?
-3, 0.
-3, 0. Yes, -3 and 0. Correct. What place can be found at the coordinate 3 and 2?
3, 2. Let me see. The school.
School, yes, school. Correct. What place can be found at the coordinate point 5 and 4?
5, 4.
Yeah.
Let me see. The hospital.
The hospital, yes. Hospital. Correct. Number four. Which coordinate point is the train
The train
station
station.
located?
5, -4.
5 -4, yes. 5 and -4. Okay. Going well. What place can be found at the coordinate point 0 and 3?
0, 3. Nothing, right? 0, 3. Nothing.
0 and 3. 0 is meaning that okay, 0 and 3. So meaning that x is 0. So it starts from here. But y is 3. So 1, 2, 3.
No way, bro.
So that is police station.
90% again.
Police stations. Okay, so
It's always the nothing questions.
yeah, 0 and 3 is police stations. And which coordinate point is zoo located at?
The zoo is -5, -5, 2.
2, okay. -5 and 2, correct. What coordinate point, number 7, what coordinate point is park located at?
The park
Yeah,
is -2, 4.
-2 and 1, 2, 4. Yes, -2 and 4. -2 and 4, correct. Number 8, which coordinate point is library located at?
Hold on, let me find it. 3, -2.
3 and -2, 3, 3 and -2, correct.
Yes.
Number 9, what place can be found at coordinate point -4 and -4?
Just go. What is that? House.
The house, yeah. So -4 here, -4 here. That is the house.
Hmm.
Correct. The last one. What place is on y-axis?
What cool? What place is
Is
on y-axis?
yes, it's on y-axis.
The police station.
Police station, yes. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So police station stay on the
The
y-axis. Police stations. Okay, correct. So 90 out of hundreds again. Last one. Last one. Last one. Okay, so last one. Make it 100 out of 100. Which coordinate point is monkey locating at? Oh,
what does the monkey look like? Oh,
okay, wait. So the elephant look like this.
yeah.
Lions, bird, giraffe, horse, monkey, crocodile, fish. But why fish here? Fish.
Yeah. Why is it in D?
Yeah. Sorry. Snakes, snake, and panda.
No.
Okay.
5, -4.
So 5 and -4. Okay, this is monkey, correct? Monkey. Oh, question is asked coordinate for 5 and -4. Correct. What animal can be found at point -1 and -1?
The giraffe.
Yeah, so -1 here, -1 here, so the giraffe. Giraffe. Okay, correct. 3. What animal can be found at the point 4 and 2?
4. Snake. Is that a
Snake.
snake? Yeah, it's a
Yes.
snake.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 upward. It's the snakes. Snake. Correct. Number 4.
Yeah.
Which coordinate point is the bird locating at?
The bird. What does the bird look like?
The bird
All right.
look
That
like yeah.
-2, 1.
-2 and 1 upward. Correct. So -2 and 1. Number 5. What animal can be found at the point 4 and 5?
Is that a crocodile?
Crocodile, yes. So 4 here and 5 outward is this crocodiles.
A dial.
Yeah, crocodile. Okay. Number 6. Which coordinate point is horse located at?
The horse.
The horse located at
Uh,
look like this.
+2, -3.
+2 and -3. Okay,
That's
so
right.
+2 is 1, 2 here, -3. Yes, correct. Okay, going well. Number 7. Which coordinate point is Panda located at?
-4, -3.
-4, -3. Okay, Panda located at -4 and -3. Correct. Okay, going well. Which coordinate point is Lions located at?
-5, 4.
-5 and 4. -5 here, 4 upward. Yes, correct. What animal can be found at the point -2 and 5?
-2. Oh, -2, 5. All right.
Yeah, -2 and 5.
Fish.
Fish, yes, -2 and 5 upward. It's fish. Okay, fish here.
Animals on the x-axis.
What
An
animal? Yeah, what animal on x-axis?
elephant.
Elephant.
Wait, is that elephant? Yeah.
Yes, elephant. Now going well. This is 100 out of 100.
Oh, I thought you said not going well.
Uh, Going well. It's going well. The
Yeah.
last one's going well. Okay, so for the plotting the point on the coordinate plane is somehow not very difficult if you understand how it go. It's everything there. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will
I'll see
see you
you tomorrow.
tomorrow. Okay.
Bye.
Okay, goodbye.